good evening. I start this political video by saying that Akosha Rosin, I do not belong to any political party, but Akosha Rosin believe in Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia to become a flag bearer. Akosha Rosin believe in Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia to become a president. Akosha Rosin believe in Akana Impe. Now 2028 election, we have won it. I also believe in Akosha Menu to become the MP for Adenta community because they deserve better. Say you should ask from you. You should ask Afamu Adenta ho. Vote wisely, Musi Dabi. Now, we more market ni in school for no. Mo Adenta na mo videos do so for you page sir. Ade na mo high sir. Say me check us say mo. John Dramani Mahama, the president, is the best person to rule this country. You are ungrateful motherfuckers. That said, Nanado was not doing anything good. Nanado's time, that teachers were not allowed to sell bedsheet and towels in school. So when they give the prospectus, the mothers come to the market to come and buy things. Now the teachers are selling everything they sell in the market. So therefore, nobody's buying a fuck in the market. You guys are complaining on all the videos. Master, put the internet down. Now fight them for Togo. Remember, do post no warriors. If you are not aware, they've introduced a new levy, that is the sports levy, after the D levy has been introduced. After your electricity has been increased by how many percent every 3 months, after petrol has been increased, they've introduced the D levy. The dollar is running, we say both. Abai Papa. So when you are not satisfied, just play Kwen Mahama Don, Ejumara. I hope you are getting your one job, 3 shifts. And now, we see my madam. People have not seen anything yet in this country. You motherfuckers have not seen anything yet. This is just the beginning. Don't come and tell us to say anything. The government is doing well. Abba. If you don't understand, that is a fucking business. They're going to pay new levies. Yes, there are new levies in the system. And there's no way you're going to say you're not going to pay the new levy. You pay the new levy because that is what your mama is going to use to rule this country. The state of emergency is not going to be clear. If you cannot afford to import water, drink your Milo water from your pipe. The president said we don't need a state of emergency. Yes, he has met the CSO saying we don't need a fucking state of emergency. Therefore, the president is chasing people, to me and the rest, instead of ruling the country. So the government is, Ghana is actually on autopilot, and Ghana is like COVID-19. Every day there's a new case that we record. So today's case has been recorded. Therefore, I am telling you that if you are not happy, you the nurses and the motherfucking teachers, and this parent that Nanado was looking after your fucking children that they had free maternal care, and you say Nanado did not do anything. If you are not happy, you play Kwen Nasi song. Play it to make yourself happy. It's very therapeutic. You play it, you dance, then you continue. Everybody for himself. John Mahama for us all. Peace out.
Government, you understand? He introduced energy debt recovery levy, price stabilization and recovery levy, public lighting levy, special petroleum tax. That was in 2014. 17.5% tax on petroleum products, all petroleum products. You understand? I mean, he in 2013 he increased VAT from 12.5 to 13.5. That's 2.5 increments. Then that was when he brought in the communication tax and all that, environmental tax, and a lot. Under Mahama's administration, Akufo-Addo came and scrapped a lot of these taxes. We are not saying that Akufo-Addo, the taxes the NPP introduced are good. What we are saying is that if we agreed that those taxes were bad and that those taxes were a nuisance, we should not come and be praising this one now as if this one is manna from heaven. If we saw e-levy to be bad, why are we applauding D-levy? And I don't seem to get it. If we told us that betting tax, which actually was paid by only those who were betting, was bad, what about the sports levy that everybody, whether you know, there are people who don't even care about sports, they don't care about football, but all of them are going to pay. Whether you like it or not, you are going to pay. Our market women, our mothers at home, wherever they are all going to pay. And in fact, you're also going to pay. This person, the President Mahama came to tell us, then he told us that, well, they are increasing tariffs on electricity and water because it was part of the IMF agreement. The Akufo-Addo who signed the IMF agreement, how much of the taxes did he put, how much of increment went into our tariffs other than Akufo-Addo who signed the contract or the agreement? In less than 10 months, over 18% on electricity alone, and over 5 or 6 or 7% on water bills. So what is he trying to tell us? What is he trying to tell us? That in less than 10 months, this man has increased more on water and light than Akufo-Addo did in 2 or 3 years in his second term. What is he saying? What is he saying? So all I'm just trying to say is that I don't understand why NDC would want to defend taxes introduced by the current administration, and the same people were criticizing Akufo-Addo for introducing taxes. It is just like Ofosu-Kwakye today, a chance of this video, when he was saying that nobody should say that we should collectively deal with this corruption of the land, which is going on now, destroying our waters and our resources. So nobody should say that we should collectively deal with it. And that if we are saying collectively, what are they expecting him to do? What does he have in his disposal to deal with it? And that it is the president's responsibility. He is the commander-in-chief of the armed forces, and all the powers and everything of the land has been given to the president. And the reason why the Akufo-Addo's administration was not able to deal with the corruption of the land is because party officials, party faithfuls, party campaigns were part of it. Today, what do we see? He sat on the same platform and he was asking Ghanaians for evidence. Evidence to prove that the land is being corrupted. So he was asking us for evidence. All I'm just trying to say is that we cannot just, find a way to make Akufo-Addo's administration appear like a black sheep for the things they did. And if that same thing is done in the NDC's administration, we find a way to try to make it, seem normal. Mr. Freeman was saying that we don't know what the Akufo-Addo did with betting tax. Must we account for that one too? The money going to the gold board, what are they doing with it? The money that is going to gold board, the gold that they are buying from Ghanaians, what are they doing with that money? Has they accounted for it? The increments in the tariffs, okay, that increment, what are they doing with it? Do we know how much they have generated so far? When they come to Public Accounts Committee, recently, in fact, the current public accounts that is going on, you understand? A lot of things have happened in the previous, in people's offices. Corruption going on everywhere. When we were asking about, when we were talking about these 500 that we were paying, and they were saying, oh no, when you go to the website, the woman was asking the director of Korle Bu about this treatment, that dialysis that they said was supposedly free. How free is it? Because people who are sick are saying that when they get to Korle Bu, they are not able to get access to it. They have to go through a lot of processes, and after so many hours or days or weeks of going through the processes, you don't still have to just. How free is it? And the man was not able to explain. He said, oh, it's a process. You have to go through the process. You have to do this. You have to do that. The truth is that it is no longer working. Even when they asked them that which year was he introduced, just for them to be able to give to Caesar what belongs to Caesar, and the credits given to the Akufo-Addo administration that they made the dialysis free. He didn't want to say it, so he was like, well, it was said sometime last year. We are not too sure about the time. It's been in the system for a while. Blah blah blah. It was like, I want the specific time. So okay, we have to go back to the drawing board and check. Blah 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 blah. When he assumed office, weren't handing over notes given to him. When they were in the position that Akufo-Addo and Co were piloting it, didn't they hear it? Didn't they see it? But you see, it's unfortunate that human left. But all I want to say is that everything that is happening under this administration,
emergency, It's a minimum family, the America say overall, baby, man just satisfied. And I say, many of them can cry, baby, your attorney general, a bank crash, lawyer crash, penny, Eka say, so far, no, I say, Chairman, won't see me penny, I can do for Eddie Sagan and say, Eddie Gane, or no penna. So far, no, Dinechi. Our request is by Monday. Ombra, Nanso, Monday, nay, and the joy, day. Nanso, na lawyer for say, Obeba, Yambo, China. If you know, so you're shutting us and say, never quite see. If you say, and yet, Chema to Menkwana, AD say you may only be address, and yet, Chema to Menkwana, AD say you may. In penny for Abraham be a womb. Nanso, your course, I shall know. Reports are more than mine and say, how much over 1,400. Our more AS and say you may. Now, so, almost 1,400 on my penny po air casano. On a casa to the to cassa 1,400 or do one eye. A man seeing in Baba was a biomo pet for trade to charm. It is something for your society, not as a woman in Timmy do one. Omo ya no musam ne mu mrantie ne baba wa asebe ahonkyere ne edwuma ni man ne mu nti omo pe bibi kakra di no omo na dodo na ya chi omo nti eno na ma ikohie mu na ya kasa wo se omo tibi ye bibi ana se edwuma bi mpo ka ye ma peni da ba ya sa agenda 111 one district one factory ne ade nke di inuma ne mputu be bad district ne sa mia na nko mutimi atwe omo ho kakra but entinia andimu nti ye hwese se na mampeni kae no omo de nema etutu akwan mu se na ebe ya omo a mabawa ne mranti a omo shegalam say na so no omo a se de omo need to me omo enye omo no mo sponsor galam say na kasabat omo de service kakra omo benye free mu nti no omo hwe de omo be ye se na ebe ya omo nyina betumi atwe omo we free sa bia no.
Okay. Na ye ken obi be bisa se sai hyiamudie we na ehu hia se beba so ana.
Pacho na say
Yo, dia mi bisa ne se sai hyiamudie na ehu hia se na te se beba so.
Oh, no question. Not every here because here to say you may probably able omo kasa necessarily omo put pressure on aban bi or beba no. Nti bi a me kasa me fam na me hu say o man peni fe so ye bibia e be chere say sebedie here to say you may ku bia e kan nti na nyese tie na wo tie omo nye ho twi. Omo de ni am ko gugu akwan mu se na be ya omo so ma chen bi omo ya akwa kudu ene ni omo twe fi evo na se na be ya so moving forward ni be mu se na be ta so ni ma ana se ni de ti aka yen se ma fa
Se wosha state of emergency a na ebi eka amampani a chire mu se there we can fight Galamsey without state of emergency. Moya disappointed, Anna.
oh me not disappointed because state of emergency no question who can carry more that state of emergency no more papa no be ya agent o man ya yetimi hwese empo ebi oba ima ya yesi me before enkonko to ade hwe awon chere ni obi e ntade we say bi empo say empo yan empo ejedi ni enkonko ma that it is a case of emergency ebi ana ebi mo ya state of emergency ye deploy a soldier for akwa bi biara we mining activity they affected this large mining companies nyina omo ntimi mining and economic impact and say omo say be omo tonton nnuane omo duma e be edema omo ye duma wo ho no omo so omo duma bo ọmụ so ba betu abetu akyerɛ aban ne sɛ si a biribi ankɔ biribi amba motumi ɔmo nti ɛbɛma nneɛma biribiara anɔke nti meme wo ne sɛ sɛ mobɛkae a sɛnea mmerɛ bi atwam mu no na ebio obi didi ɔfa nkyɛn sɛnea na yɛyɛ campaign ba toilet efie ne efie no ne sɛ na yɛpaka no wọ́n sɛ yɛhyɛ sɛ ɛwɔ sɛ efie rɛ biara wɔn make sure sɛ sɛbi wobɛsi agyanan bia sɛ bɛbɛyɛ a mmɔfra ne mpanyinfoɔ ne ntoto biribi basabasa a ɛne yɛn mpɛmu nti mímí ho ne sɛ ɛyɛ sakra adeɛ hyɛ aseɛ akyɛ nti ɛwɔ sɛ yɛde sɛ deɛ yɛpɛ nyansapan bi na ɛma etutwa na sɛ yɛka sɛ nipa tapaa kwan no ɛne esisi a sɛdeɛ na sɛ wokae news a amanfoɔ de ntuo no mu ne adeadeɛ bisa sɛ mmante yifa na ɔmo kɔyɛ tuo de firi sɛ ɛnyɛ mpanimfoɔ no mu bi na ɛde ma ɔmo wɔho nti no ɛwɔ sɛ mpanimfoɔ no mu no ɛna yɛ going after them na ɛnyɛ mmɔfra a sɛ ɔmo nim de ne ɔmo a ɔmo nim mmara no sɛ deɛ ɛteɛ na ɔmo hyɛ mmɔfra kutu pa na ɔmo ne ɔmo etuo ne adeadeɛ ɔmo na ɔmo nsɛn ɔmo adwene nti patɔ ma adwene.
Okay, na yɛkɔ yɛ ne mu yi results bɛn ɛna mo yɛ part of this nhyiamudie yi yɛsusu sɛ ɔman no bɛtumi de abrɛ yɛn.
Patɔ sɛ from years na say
yes, after meeting the president ɛdeɛn results ɛna yɛbɛtumi anya afiri mfa so deɛ bɛn ɛna mugyiri sɛ yɛbɛtumi de abrɛ the fight ɔko a yɛkɔde atia wɔmɛfa kwati kwanso tu fam agudeɛ.
Okay, nti nea bɛbɛ sɛ yɛ attorney general MIS yɛ the parliament is remain on the 14th of this month. Almost the LI, almost the LI 2.62. So we are pretty so name deal, so we have what to do. Ebema one hour money a forest to Milano. Ebe almost share for a bet to be almost from that. If you notice through the year, look quite to be DHD. Na sɛ ɛno nso bubu wie anaasɛ ɛndi mu a ɛhɔ no na yɛsɛ ɛsa akasa anaasɛ avoice out akyerɛ mpanin ne mpanimfoɔ a keka ma because ɔmehyɛmudie mu yɛmu sɛ ɛno a ɛnso na yɛn mpanimfoɔ yi sɛ benyame fɔ ɔmo kra ɛsie ɔmo kɔhwere ɔmo ɛsɛ galamsey ne nneɛma a ɔmo de to so akwan mu nti no yɛsɛ na yɛhwɛ anim kwan sɛ sɛnea ɔmo di nkan yɛtwitwa because the committee no ma yɛte asɛ sɛ baabi te sɛ outlook ɛne new moon ɔmo consensus a ɛpo abɛsoso ɛda hɔ ando now no ɔmo atwitwa bi ɛde ama ɔmo yɛ small scale mine no a wɔyɛ register small scale mine no yɛtwitwa bi ɛde ama hɔ ɛno nso te sɛ ɛyɛ kwan bi ɛbɛboa nti sɛ woyɛ legal registered small scale mine aban ɛpɛ kwan bi so ɛbɛma mo aban ne in the right way nti ɛno nso yɛ sɛ policy papa ɛbɛboa na ɛbɛyɛ ɔmo a ɔmo galamsey basabasa no ɛbɛbrɛ ase.
Ansa na mokɔ no mo na mo wɔ biribi a mode to mo table so sɛ na ka mode bɛto Ghana mampanyin anim na motimi de yɛ ana
mpacho ɛne sɛ ɛni bibia na ɛtumi kasa wɔ nhyɛmudie no ase nanso ɔmo a yɛapɛnya ne sɛ asa program no na a wata fi mu a ɛyɛ soft copy and hard copy no be presented ɛde ma wɔn nti mɛkasa na apɛnya no wɔ a yɛde bɛkyɛ ɛni bibia na ɛtumi kasa a ɛwɔ nhyɛmudie no ase.
Okay, eti na mo susu dia ɛɛdeɛn mo susu yɛ a mode to pono so.
Yeah, the food of the cat, and I said, yeah, better if you my papa, one more fra Maba, way than see, or one would be understand, or we need it to be a young be a demo. Yeah, better happy to my papa be a mom. Now, face in penny 4 hours, almost shake in a or mine, or my penny, said the attorney general. Ɛbɛyere wɔn bɛhyɛ mmara no akɔsi ase na yɛtumi akyekye wɔn nyinaa egum wɔn agya mmɔfra no because mmɔfra no sɛ sɛbi wo sɛbi